In this video, I'm going to show you how to play a dusty trip in Roblox. So the first thing you want to do is type Roblox into Google and then go to the Roblox official website, which is roblox.com. And then once you log in or create an account, of course, you want to go up here to the search box and type in a dusty trip. And you simply want to press enter. And as you can see, a lot of different Dusty Trip games will pop up. However, the original one is this one over here, which is called a Dusty Trip and the Grass. Now, if you can't see this one, just look for the game that has the best kind of like ratio and the most players playing the game, okay? So that's what you want to do. And then once you find this one with the helicopter, you want to click play, this green button over here. And then you want to press open Roblox game client up here in case you have it already downloaded. But if you don't, you want to click here where it says download and install Roblox, install the game, come back to this site, simply press play, and then open Roblox game client, and a Dusty Trip will launch for you inside Roblox game.